Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be making butter lamb gravy. So I have all the ingredients here. I will also have everything available in the description below, so please check it out. Let's start cooking. I will marinate the lamb first with salt, masala. I will also add about a tablespoon of plain flour. Mix it through. Okay, so leave that aside, and we are going to heat up our butter. Once it's heated enough, we're going to add our butter. Okay, so we'll add 1/2 of butter. And we're going to brown our meat. Okay, so that's brown enough. That's what I wanted. That's the color I wanted. I'm going to remove our lamb meat back into the bowl. And we're now going to add our onions. I have a mixture of red and normal white onion. Chop it up. And we're now going to add our minced garlic and ginger. We're going to add our 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And then we'll start adding the rest of our spices. Okay. That's our paprika. Turmeric powder, I added the cardamom seeds earlier on. We've got 3 bay leaves, we've got fenugreek powder, and a bit of cayenne pepper, a bit of probably 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, our cinnamon sticks, that's 1 and a bit, 1.5 cinnamon stick. At this stage I am going to add a can of the condensed tomato soup. It smells amazing. Ooh. I will add about 1/2 cup of water. We can add more water later, but this is our gravy that we're going to cook our meat until it's nice and tender. So at this stage I'm going to add our meat back into the gravy. While our gravy is cooking away on the stove, I am going to make some naan bread to eat our butter lamb gravy. gravy's been cooking for about 30 minutes or more. Now I'm going to move the meat back in the bowl and I'll blend our sauce, and then I'll add the mince back in and the rest of the ingredients, which is honey and cream. Going to blend our sauce, our gravy. Blend our gravy. There's our gravy. Still quite thick. And more sauce. I will put this aside and I'll start cooking our naan bread. So here is our final cooking, our butter lamb gravy with our homemade naan bread. And when I was cooking this, the house smells so nice with the aroma of all the flavorings, the spices, and all the goodness that's in the butter lamb gravy. So let's taste our cooking. It looks amazing. I love Indian food. It was prepared with love and caring and from the heart for the family and for you all. Wish you can taste the food with me, but if you would like to try it, go ahead and try it in your own home. Okay, so this is our cilantro, coriander and garlic flavor naan. Bit of that gravy. Bit of that lamb, I'll put it in a naan bread. It's so good. Thank you for watching this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn that post notification on so that you don't miss out on new videos that I post on daily. Thanks again for your support. Take care and be safe. And I will see you very soon. Bye for now.
धूम करके